So I'm going to just do a quick renew, reset, recharge lunch. This is what I'm having today. It's leftovers, so it's perfect. So what I've done is I've got my scales and I put my plate on and zeroed it. I don't normally weigh my food anymore, but when you're following the program at the beginning, most people weigh it just to check that they're getting the right amount. So I roasted a whole load of vegetables in the oven: cauliflower, tomatoes, broccoli, yellow pepper, and a little bit of cavolo nero, and just in lots of olive oil. And I put some sumac and some ras el hanout on it, but it could have just been any spices or herbs or just salt and pepper. I've then got a salmon fillet, which is about 120 grams. I've put some sesame seeds on top, and again patted some spices over it. I'm coming to the end of this one, but I love it. This is my kimchi. Love a bit of fermented food, so I'm popping that on there. And I've got for my this amazing bread from Germany, which is just a seed bread cracker. I'm going to have some of that.